Have you ever thought about making money with sculpture workshops? Imagine transforming your love for artistry into a lucrative venture. The world of sculpture offers an enticing fusion of creativity and financial potential. You don't just mold clay, you shape dreams and build futures. Now picture unlocking this potential with 3 innovative ideas we're about to explore. So if you're intrigued by the prospect of monetizing your passion for sculpture, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we dive into 3 exciting ways to monetize your passion for sculpture. Firstly, consider the power of the internet. Online sculpture workshops can be a game changer. Now let's delve into the concept of online sculpture workshops. Imagine this. You're in your own creative space, sharing your passion and skills with a group of eager learners tuned in from different parts of the globe. This is what online sculpture workshops can offer you. The beauty of this idea lies in its simplicity and accessibility. You can use platforms such as Zoom or Google Meet, or even proprietary platforms to host these workshops. The world is your oyster, and the internet is your vessel to reach a global audience. By hosting online workshops, you're not only sharing your artistry, but also broadening your reach, which in turn can significantly increase your potential earnings. But remember, it's not just about setting up a virtual classroom, it's about creating a structured course, a journey that people can embark on to explore their own creativity. To ensure the success of your online workshops, effective marketing strategies are crucial. Utilize social media platforms, create engaging content, and connect with your audience on a personal level. Remember, people are not just buying a product, they're investing in an experience. So whether you're a seasoned sculptor or a budding artist, online sculpture workshops can be a rewarding and lucrative venture. Harness the power of technology, share your unique vision, and inspire others. So leverage the power of the internet and let your art reach corners of the world you never imagined. Our second idea revolves around creating a membership program for your sculpture workshops. This strategy is a fantastic way to secure a steady stream of income. But how does it work? Well, by offering different tiers of memberships, you can cater to a wide range of art enthusiasts. Each tier could include a variety of benefits that increase in value with the membership level. For instance, the basic tier might offer access to a monthly group workshop, while a premium tier could include additional perks like exclusive sculptures or early bird pricing for new workshops. Imagine having a core group of members who, each month, look forward to your workshops. They'll be excited to see what new techniques or sculptures you'll introduce, knowing that their membership grants them special access. Now, let's take it a step further. What if you offered one-on-one sessions as part of your highest membership tier? This could be an excellent opportunity for members to delve deeper into the art of sculpting, and for you to share your expertise on a more personal level. Remember, the key to a successful membership program is to provide value at every level. Whether it's exclusive access, early bird pricing, or personalized sessions, each perk adds value to your members' experience and keeps them coming back for more. With a membership program, not only do you ensure a consistent income, but you also build a loyal community of art enthusiasts. Our final idea is selling sculpture kits along with your workshops. This is a brilliant way to add an extra stream of income to your sculpture workshop business. But what exactly could these kits include? Well, let's start with the basics. Each kit could contain a block of clay, the primary medium for most beginners in sculpture. This is the canvas on which your students will create their masterpieces. Next, you'd want to include a set of carving tools. From wire end tools for cutting and slicing clay to ribbon tools for trimming and hollowing, these are the essential utensils that will allow your students to shape their visions into reality. And to really set your kits apart, consider adding a booklet with sculpture techniques. This could cover everything from basic carving methods to advanced sculpting techniques. It's like giving your students a pocket-sized tutor they can refer to anytime, anywhere. Now, you might be wondering, how does selling sculpture kits enhance the workshop experience? Well, by providing all the necessary materials and knowledge in one neat package, you're making the art of sculpture more accessible, especially for beginners. It reduces the entry barriers, allowing more people to explore their artistic side. And the more accessible you make your workshops, the more students you're likely to attract, which in turn can boost your income significantly. Selling sculpture kits not only boosts your income but also enhances your students' experience, making your workshops more appealing. Now that we've explored these 3 fantastic ideas, it's time to get started. Let's refresh. First, we looked at hosting online sculpture workshops, a great way to share your skill globally. Then, we discussed sculpture workshop memberships, offering exclusive benefits to dedicated learners. Finally, we delved into selling sculpture kits, a convenient solution for budding artists. Each of these ideas holds potential to not only share your art but also earn from it. Remember, your love for sculpture can indeed become a lucrative venture. So start today and turn your passion into profit.